Okay, now on my screen, what you'll see is my basic setup. We went over this in Workspaces, and you should have a setup that looks similar to mine. However, there's a possibility that your workspace looks entirely different. All of a sudden, you've got different options on the right than what I have. Especially if you just started your program for the first time, it may look completely different from what I have. These panels on the right are all customizable, and you can change them to be whatever you want. So it may be that this doesn't look exactly like your setup. If I'm ever telling you to find a specific panel and you don't see it over here, go up to Windows at the top and look for that panel. Now you can also click on this little icon up here to get your Essentials panel. That's generally what I work under. If you've been messing around with it, you can hit Reset Essentials, and that'll bring it to looking just like mine. So if you have any questions with that, let me know. Otherwise, go to Window and find your setup correct.